and I'm going to use our probiotics face wash to wash my face. I like to start out using a dry finish. Can you see how smooth and beautiful my skin feels? Now, of course, I'm going to wash my face then start. So now I'm just going to wash it out, okay? And after washing, this is what we have. A beautiful clear looking skin. Okay, so next I am going to use my Japanese sake. This particular one was my tester before we made the product itself, so I don't have any label and it's gone. I'm just going to spritz that. Contains a lot of probiotics, and then I'm just going to let that dry before. I like to be extra. On my lid, under my eyes. It's just going to give me extra hydration there. So this is what we have right now. Dry, and come back and show you the next step. So this is what we are looking like right now, and look, I'm not mad at all at my products, yeah, but focus on the skin. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Next, I'm going to use my Botox Power Essence Serum. I'm going to use that. It's almost finished. I'm going to pump that much. Yeah, it looks slimy, I know. So I'm going to put some under my eyes because this has a very under my eye, and then I go on the others. Just massage it in. Make sure you bring it down to your neck. So right now this is what we have. It's going to let that dry. I'm going to keep massaging it as much as you can. I think I put too much, but that's typical me. Let's see how clear my skin is. Now don't forget my lip. And my lip still looks very luscious because when I do this, I rub some oil on my lip as well. I'm going to let this sit in for a while. I'm going to let this sit for a while. So this is what we're looking at. We are glowing, baby. This is not magic. It's not 2 days. It is a process. So you should get the same result within a month, thereabouts, depending on your skin type. But within a month, you should start seeing good progress on your skin after using this particular products. So, yep. After I let that sit for a while, I come back and show you guys what we have. Okay. So next, I am going to use my sunscreen. And this is a new sunscreen that I just got. This is the Beauty by Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotic. Now, this is the much we're going to start with. I'm going to put that all over, because now if you are light skinned, you may not see a lot of tint, but from other reviews that I have seen, I heard that this product actually has some tint. Okay, so I'm going to try to rub that in till I bring it down to my neck. Be generous. Don't be stingy with your sunscreen. No. Be generous with it. A mix of chemical and mineral sunscreen, so that's why you may end up having some tint. So I'm going to go off camera and rub this in very well and come back. So this is like my first impression of this product, and let me turn this way so you guys can see. I don't know. Okay, let me turn this way. This is like my first impression, and it definitely doesn't. Probably if I had left my serum to dry into my skin better before I applied it, but it definitely leaves a white cast. So this is like my first impression video for the Relief Sun Rise Plus Probiotic Beauty by Jessin sunscreen, and I do love the fact that it contains probiotics and all of that. But the one thing is, if you are dark skinned, this is going to leave a lot of white cast on your face. Like, can you see that? Because I'm fair, I'm light skinned, it's not very visible, but if you're a dark skinned person, this will definitely leave a white cast. But it's a good sunscreen. And yeah, so this is my morning skincare routine. I hope you guys liked it, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section, and I'll show you some more of my skincare routine both day and night, because sometimes I switch it up and use other products. But right now, this is what our skin is looking like, and I'm not mad at all. I'm only mad at the white cast. But yeah, that's it. Bye.